There it is. I love this vlogging rig. It's so awesome. So what is on my mind? What is on my mind? I just need to talk. I'm going to be selling this house. That's one thing. Another thing is mindset and how important it is to, anytime you doubt yourself or have questions, it's an inside thing. It's an inside game. My books, I love my books so much. How do I express to the world? So your mindset is everything. I'm in such a place of growth and building of my business and my mindset. It's like it's like something switched in 2019 to where 2018 for me was building it was so much that I did myself and so much that I had to get through and struggle through to build this like foundation of my business and my mindset. And of course, things that were on the peripheral, like I shared in my last video about laser focus, it's still like that for me, but I'm putting sort of the finishing grading on my foundation for my mindset and my business. Now, these are the books. These are my books. I love my books. I'm actually addicted. I can't stop ordering books. There's something about building the mindset of building a business, of investing in real estate, in helping others, in developing relationships, in becoming a better, more intentional thinker. Things like that. I would so much rather be doing these things than be watching the sports game or TV. Or movies. It just doesn't compute to me when people do those things. By the way, I'm going to be selling this house. This house is awesome. And the market is really hot right now. And so you might be seeing some videos of me renovating this home within the next couple weeks, months. It's about middle of January right now, and I'm thinking about getting this baby good for resale, hopefully by April, May, something like that at the longest. But completely renovate this kitchen. I put a lot of work into this so far, not a lot, but I've made it, livable. Like I've painted all these paneling walls, but we're gonna rip it all out. All the paneling is gonna be ripped out. I'll need drywall. I remodeled this bathroom when I first moved in. I remodeled that thing, but just to make it livable for the old roommates. But there's Jake. I just got back from church, by the way. It's Sunday, and so I just changed my shirt, and I'm just kind of vlogging a little bit. So my little office, this is actually on the other side of the master bedroom, which is over there. So that wall will come out and become part of the master bathroom. So we'll move a couple plumbing lines around and add a tub and a walk-in shower and like really, really cool stuff. Let me show you the master. It's this huge room. Of course, these are the back windows, which are epic. So I'll just replace that glass and stuff. But this is the master. This is my room. And got the guitars on the wall. It's my custom Strat. Love it. I haven't played guitar that much recently, but so this bathroom could use some updating, right? And little closet back there and stuff. And so it's good, but it's gonna, like, this is that wall to the back of the office that's gonna get completely blown away. It's gonna blow me away. No, but and then we're gonna rip out the deck. add a new one. And then in the garage, let me show you here. And the garage is going to get completely like waterproofed because there's some water that comes in sometimes when it rains. But I'm gonna dig around the outside of the walls. Get him, Jake. So I'm gonna, and there's such a beautiful river view. Why is it so bright? Okay. So I'm gonna dig out here, put waterproofing on, install a French drain. It's gonna be pretty exciting. I'm gonna start actually digging next week. Jake, come on. And here's something crazy, right? You guys follow me here on YouTube. Well, multiple of you guys follow me here on YouTube have reached out to me, and you actually live in Jacksonville, Florida, which is where I live. Come on, Jake. And a husband and wife that watch my videos live here in Jacksonville. They actually took me out to dinner last weekend or whatever it was. And so Ryan's actually gonna be helping me dig that French drain and you know, maybe even helping with the house. Ramiro, I know we're having coffee. You follow me on here as well. He reached out, he lives in town, wants to start his own contracting company, and we're doing coffee this Saturday. So this is exciting. If any of you wanna come help, send me an email, jesse@jlaneconstruction.com, and put you to work. You'll learn a few things. But yeah, over the next month or two, this place is gonna get renovated. So I'm actually gonna go edit my next video that I'm posting, maybe even like tomorrow or the next day, really soon. And it's actually gonna take you through every single step that you need to know how to become a Florida state certified general contractor. So if you're excited about that, stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. This video was just kind of a completely random, fun little thing. So I'll talk to you guys soon. See you for that next video if you want to become a state certified contractor. I'm gonna walk you through every single step. It's gonna be great. See ya.